넌 포기하고 싶은 꿈 걷고 싶어 until the end of time 지금 난 간절히 원해
Morning, madam. So today I'm going to represent my teams to show how the admin, the academic officer and also the student use this CRS course recovery system. So let's begin with the academic officer first. So we type the academic officer user ID, enter the password. Okay, so since the course recovery plan only can display in academic officer, and here we have the list box. It shows all the failed student ID and also the course they failed. So we see we have many students fail, and let's randomly pick one. So if we select the first one, the data of the student will be shown, like for example the name, the ID, the number of attempts, the course info, and the most important thing is the field components. So like in this case, Ivan failed exam, he gets 35 out of 100, assignment 41 out of 100, and below is empty, which means Ivan hasn't get a recovery plan yet. So right now we are going to create a plan for him. Click this one, and here's a combo box. You can choose the course he failed, but we'll choose the first one. We'll review recommendations, study harder, examples, and we will add the tasks he needs to do. So for example, week 1, he should review all lecture topic. Right, we add milestone. Checkbox will be created. Week 1, review all lecture topic. Week 2, meeting with module lecturer. Add milestone. We can click the milestone once. We can click the checkbox once he complete. But now let's just uncheck it. So week 3, recovery exam, add milestone, and we save it. Answer. Click again. See this? We have the recommendation, study harder. We have the task you need to do week 1. So we review all lecture topic he hasn't done yet. But once he done, we can click the checkbox, which means he already done. We also can update our recommendation. Let's say study twice harder. We update. Recommendation updated. We can also delete it. Recommendation delete. Okay. So let's update again. Oh, forgot to say, if the recommendation is empty, we can add. But once the recommendation, it already has recommendation, then we can only see the recommendation, but we cannot edit it. So right now we already have the recommendation, and we can see the students randomly select the students. So S006 Winchon already failed 2 times. What about 3 times? Let's see. So 3rd times, all components are required. So let's go for this. Yes, as you can see, even though exam he already passed, but still it is still listed as failed components because Oscar already failed 3 times, so he need to retake all the components. So let's go back to the first one. Okay, so now we already have the recovery plan. We need to let student know the plan so he can follow the plan, right? And yes, he get the recovery plan. Let's see. So this is the recovery plan we received. We have the student name, ID, the course code, and the recommendation, and also the tasks you need to follow. Right now it's pending because he hasn't done yet. So we back to this, back to our okay. So now let's move on to the next one, eligibility and enrollment. We click this, it shows all the students who fail to progress to next level. And we can search the ID, name, major, year, or grade. So let's search the ID. Okay, so ID 1, ID 2, ID 3, no problem. How about both? Yes, can work. So we go to randomly pick one, submit, and the details will be shown, and also the results. Right? Then we can also academic reports. Here we can randomly choose the student we want. Choose the table we export to PDF, and now we go to the File Explorer. Go to File Explorer. Final student report. This is the PDF Ivan Wilson, right? So we can log out it once we done. Wait, we can check the box. Let's say the student check the box. Let's say Ivan already reviewed all lecture topic, meeting with module lecturer. Okay, it saves automatically. We don't need to change anything. And also, if you want, we can also change the task. Let's say I just review all topic. I just put a comma or anything. Take recovery exam. Let's say I remove recovery. Just show example. We can edit. Right. Also, we can delete it. We just check it. We can backspace. Also to delete. Yes, it will delete. And yes, now we log out first. We go to the student account S003, then the ID. Okay, now this shows the student course code, which means this course, Ivan has the plan. He received the plan for this course. So click the recovery plan, and yes, we can see study harder. The same thing we received Gmail just now, but this is the latest one because we already removed the third one. We also unchecked the second one. So yes, it is latest plan. Go back and log out. So that is how our CLS course recovery system works. Thank you.
When a user successfully logs in, the menu screen corresponding to their role will be displayed. First, all roles can view account information here. This section, all basic account data to be viewed and also supports password reset. For students, their major and year are also displayed here. For password reset, pressing the button will switch the screen and trigger email verification. An OTP will be sent in this process. By entering it, you will be able to change your password. Next is creating a new account. First, enter the name of the account owner, then select the role of the user. Depending on the role, additional required information can be entered. The system also automatically generates an ID, email address, and initial password. After confirming the information on the confirming screen, save it. This completed the process. Next is updating an account. The account you created earlier will be displayed here. This section also has various filter functions. From this list, you can view the data of the selected user. By pressing the button, you can also edit their information. Selecting the detail you want to change makes updating account information easy. You can also log out from here. Finally, there is a feature for when you forgot your password. Similarly, an OTP will be sent to your email, and after verification, you can change your password. Thank you for completing my part.